Start with a whisper, soft and slow. A pound of potatoes, let the sweetness show. Boil them tender, peel with care. Like love, it starts with what you prepare. A pinch of spice, a touch of cream, building flavors, chasing a dream. Oh, the recipe for sweet potato pie. A little work, a little sigh, stir it smooth, let it fly. Oh, that sweet potato pie. Add sugar brown, not white. A hint of vanilla just feels right. A couple of eggs to bind it tight. Mix it up till it's a delight. Cinnamon whispers, nutmeg hums, a symphony played with bacon drums. Pour it gently, crust below, into the oven, let it glow. Oh, the recipe for sweet potato pie. A little patience, let it try, golden brown beneath the sky. Oh, that sweet potato pie.